In a small village farm, a poor hen was tired of laying eggs every single day. She sighed, and then suddenly, achoo, she sneezed. And guess what? Instead of raindrops, popcorn started falling from the sky. Pop, pop, pop everywhere. The children ran out with buckets and baskets, dancing and laughing, filling everything with popcorn. Even the farmer sat under the banyan tree, happily munching on the popcorn like it was a festival. But the poor hen, she just sat sadly on the fence and whispered. Nobody hit the bell icon. Will you make the hen smile? Don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell icon.